best K-pop song of 2022 is... I'm not sure. That's why I'm leaving it up to y'all too. What I need is your help. Hi, I'm JRE. Or that guy that's been reacting to K-pop music videos for a while now. Now, I missed 2021. I missed my 21 songs of 2021. That's my fault. I was dealing with some ish. AKA, I was moving. I've been moving a lot. And 2022, there's so many great. Obviously, there's some that are just like, but I don't want those. I want the best. What is your best in your opinion? What are the best K-pop songs in your opinion of 2022? At the moment right now, I am live on Twitch, actually trying to make a list, so please do join the Twitch live right now. Today's live stream, we're gonna be making a list of 2022 K-pop songs that you think is the best, or what you had on repeat, what you've been replaying your whole year. I can spoil a little bit of my list. Definitely Hype Boy from Eugene's. That song, when it first came out, I loved the vibe, especially with Attention as well too. But will it make my list of 2022? 22 songs of 2022. 22 songs of 2022. If you can't make the live stream, please be sure to comment your favorite songs of 2022. Please comment a list of songs that made your 2022. I know it's tough, and I put that on myself trying to make these lists. I know I'm not gonna please everybody, but you know what? It's my list. You can put yours too. So yes, there will be a 22 songs of 2022 coming up soon, hopefully before the year ends or early January. What else is happening? I've been editing the TXT interview that I had way back when. Yes, I'm still editing it. Here's a little clip right here.
What was your favorite part of collaborating?
We don't have many chance to collab with other artists, so it was an honor.
This interview didn't have Bomgyu. Because he was sick at the moment. I think I remember this is before they went to Lollapalooza. That's coming out soon before the year ends as well. There's two videos that I want to finish. 22 K-pop songs of 2022, that's what I want to finish, and a TXT interview to cap off my year on YouTube and just content creating. Please comment your favorite 2022 songs. Definitely will help out. Just give me an idea, and maybe it'll remind me. Sometimes I forget songs sometimes, and I'm like, oh my god, that was a banger. I have to add that. So please help. Be on YouTube or on Twitch. Yeah, live right now. Go check it out. Alright, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.